southeastern Escambia County in northwestern Florida until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:53 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles east of Riverview to near Foley, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pensacola, Cherry Pass, West Pensacola, Enfield, Orrington, Gonzales, Gulf Shores, Foley, Ace, Milton, Gulf Breeze, Orange Beach, Goulding, Baghdad, Lillian, Myrtle Grove, Oriole Beach, Bon Secours, and Navarre. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for south central and southwestern Alabama and northwestern Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Baldwin and Escambia, and the following counties in Florida, Escambia and Santa Rosa.